We'll guide you through how to download and install Facebook on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Facebook is a great social media. You may already have an account or you may not. It doesn't matter, we can go and get it and you can then sign in or create an account. So get started, find the App Store on your iPhone. Most likely it'll be on the homepage, but you can always go and search your iPhone for it. Go and open it up. Now come to the bottom right of the App Store and click on search. And what you can then do is go and type in Facebook like so, and it should then go and appear. Now in your case, Facebook will probably go and say get over to the right. I've got the cloud with the arrow down. As you see this app up here says get, yours probably looks like that as well. Click get or click on the cloud with the arrow pointing down if you've had it before, and it'll then go and download. After it's finished downloading, go and click on open like so, and Facebook will go and start. And so then what you can do is go and sign into an account if you already have one at the top here, or if you don't yet, click on create new account and you can go and get started by clicking get started and follow through the setup. In this case, I have one, so I'm going to sign in. And just like that, I'm now signed into Facebook and it's successfully installed. If you found this useful, then leave a like.